Good evening everyone, welcome back to Race IAS. Recently, Mr. Ajay Banga, the first person of Indian origin, was officially elected as the 14th President of the World Bank. So today we will talk about him.
And Ajay Banga, the Indian origin executive who revamped MasterCard, is the new World Bank President. The World Bank's 25-member executive board on Wednesday elected the former MasterCard CEO to a 5-year term, which will begin on the 2nd of June.
Mr. Banga was born on 10th November 1959 in Pune, Maharashtra. His father, Mr. 𝐼𝐸𝐺𝐸 Banga, was a Lieutenant General in the Indian Army. He did his schooling from Jalandhar and Shimla, graduated from Delhi University and MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. In the year 2016, the Government of India has also honoured him with Padma Shri. Ajay Banga, the former CEO of MasterCard, will be the first person of Indian origin to become the 14th President of the World Bank. Mr. Banga was nominated for this post by US President Joe Biden in February 2023. Mr. Ajay Banga, selected by the 25-member Executive Board of the World Bank, will hold the post for a period of 5 years from 2nd June 2023. Now let's move forward and know more about this World Bank. The World Bank was established in the year 1944 at the Bretton Woods Conference along with the International Monetary Fund. This bank was formed in collaboration with both the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development and the International Development Association. Presently, the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development is called the World Bank. At present, 189 countries including India are its members. India is not a member of ICSID. So this is all about this topic. For more such current related updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel and download the Race IAS app. And information regarding the new batches, please call on the numbers given on the screen. Thank you for watching and have a great day.